Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I am sharing with you two items that I was able to purchase from the new Louis Vuitton Murakami collection launch. You guys, I I don't do pre-order. I don't do pre-orders. I don't I will not give a brand, a company, my money to sit on indefinitely without an interest. I will not do it. So, with that comes the risk of the possibility of not getting anything from the launch, which I am okay with. I, it's not a need. So, I was able to purchase two items so far from one of my good friends. She shared her essay. Thank you. And I wanted to share with you guys. Now, I did order a few more pieces. I don't know when those will be in. I did, one of my friends in Europe, she did order something from me as well. So I don't know the lead time on that. So it's just whenever it gets here. And hopefully I will get what the other pieces that I am looking for. Anyways, we all know the travesty, the tragic launch for this collection. I won't get into it. If you know, you know. So we're just going to move on. And I hope you were able to get the pieces that you wanted or something from this collection, because I think Louis Vuitton underestimated how much we love this collection. But anyways, that is for another day. I am just here to share with you guys the two items that I picked up. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Oh, I did order, my order did come with a shopping bag. One did, one didn't. So at least I got a shopping bag. So I'm very helpful. I'm very thankful. I can't speak today. Very thankful for that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye, guys.